Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super attractive and stunning crochet fingerless gloves ideas, and WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen. You can contact on this WhatsApp number to book your order of these beautiful crochet fingerless gloves, and you can order from anywhere in Pakistan. So all local orders will be delivered to you according to your requirement in the size you want and with the color scheme and the pattern you want. So you can contact on WhatsApp number 034563000924. Send the screenshot over of the specific design which you like the most and you want to have for yourself, or you can gift them to anybody as well. This is a perfect gift product as well. So you can contact on WhatsApp number, send the screenshot over, and you can have these beautiful fingerless gloves on customization and will be delivered to you according to the timeline that will be given to you, and it will be delivered to you at your doorstep. So you can see all of these designs are super attractive and lovely, and all of these designs are having unique contrasting color schemes used in them as well, and most of the designs are having crochet flowers made with contrasting colors which are added on them, looking very attractive and unique as well. And some of the designs are without any crochet flower work as well, like you can see this one with a belt and a button on top, also looking very unique and classy. So all these designs are having at least 2 contrasting color schemes, and you will see 3 contrasting color scheme designs as well, and in patchwork you will see 4 to 5 contrasting color schemes in some of the gloves as well. So single color designs are also included, like you can see this one. So you will find all types of ideas and you can order any type of crochet product from WhatsApp number 034563000924 from all over Pakistan. So all you need to do is contact on the number and book your customized order of any crochet product other than these kinds of beautiful fingerless gloves. So you can order baby frocks, you can order baby frock sets, you can order baby cardigans, shrugs, baby caps, braid caps, or every other crochet product. You can order cushions, and you can order crochet bed sheets or bed spreads as well. That's up to you. So just stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to get more ideas like this. Press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications of future uploads from this channel as well. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.